Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and strategies for success in the digital world. Today, we're going to reveal how you can make money by posting motivational videos on YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. You can inspire and motivate others while earning an income. So, let's dive in and learn how to turn your passion for motivation into a profitable venture. Step 1 is to find your niche. Determine what area of motivation you want to focus on. It could be personal development, fitness, entrepreneurship, or any other niche that resonates with you and your audience. Step 2 involves creating compelling content. Your videos should be well-researched, inspirational, and authentic. Share your personal experiences and provide actionable advice that your viewers can implement in their lives. Step 3 is all about consistency. Regularly upload new videos to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Develop a content schedule and stick to it. This will build trust and loyalty among your subscribers. Step 4 is optimizing your videos for search. Conduct keyword research to understand what people are searching for in your niche. Include relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos appear in search results and gain more exposure. Step 5 involves promoting your videos. Share your content on social media platforms, collaborate with other creators in your niche, and engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is crucial for success. Now, let's talk about monetization. There are several ways to make money from your motivational videos. Ad revenue. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn money through ads displayed on your videos. The more views and engagement you have, the higher your ad revenue potential. Brand partnerships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for sponsored content or endorsements. Ensure that any brand collaboration aligns with your values and resonates with your audience. Merchandise. Create your own line of merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or books, featuring your brand logo or motivational quotes. Sell them directly to your viewers through an online store or platforms like Teespring. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services relevant to your niche through affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Be transparent and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's important to stay consistent, engage with your audience, and constantly improve your content. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money by posting motivational videos on YouTube. Find your niche, create compelling content, be consistent, optimize your videos for search, promote your content, and explore monetization options. Remember, the key to success is providing value to your audience and staying true to your passion for motivation. So go ahead, start inspiring others, and turn your YouTube channel into a profitable platform. Good luck on your journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.